Okay, it's starting. Right. Now again we have to greet ourselves. Okay. So okay, hi Devendra. Good evening. How are you doing?
Good evening, ma'am. I am fine, ma'am. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So how was your day so far?
Good, ma'am. Everything is good.
Okay. I think we are meeting at very first time. We should introduce ourselves. Okay. So would you like to introduce yourself first?
Okay, ma'am. So myself, my name is Devendra. I am from Bihar, but currently now living in Oman, Muscat abroad. I'm working person. I'm working KFC restaurant as a cashier position since 2 years. My hobby is learning new things. That's all about myself.
Wow, that's great. So now I should introduce myself right now. So, okay, as you know that my name is Sushma and I am a homemaker. I belong to Delhi and blessed with two children. And talking about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, so nowadays I want to learn this language and I totally engross this language. So for that, I most of the time watch conversational videos and other English content to get some knowledge from those. So yeah, that's all about myself in the nutshell. Thank you for asking. So yeah, as you mentioned that you are working as a working in a KFC. So
Yes.
how is that? Like how is that going on? Like nowadays, because KFC is not in the trend. Most of the like in India, I'm talking about the India. So how is the like scenario over there? Your all the restaurant is going on well, or the people came over there, come over there
Yes, ma'am.
to have a KFC or chicken, वगैरह. Yeah.
People, lots of people are there coming because my restaurant visit places like Oman. So every
Mm-hmm.
person coming another country like Pakistan, Bangladesh, different countries, UK. Every person visit and then eating for KFC because KFC is a brand and totally proper
Brand.
hygienic food.
Okay. Yeah, that's earlier like 6 to 7 years ago, it was on trend. It was prevalent everywhere because most of the people try to go there in KFC. But now that is in not in trend in I think if we talk about the India.
Uh,
So now because
is a-
yeah.
yeah, because another country is proper hygienic food and then eating. So that's why reason
Mm.
for KFC is a proper brand, hygienic.
Mhm. Okay, so if like when you work over there, so you are maybe you can come across lots of a foreigner over there, and you have to deal with the foreigners with the English and they talk with the English in English. So how do you manage over there? Are you able to talk with them easily?
Not because my manager with my manager also support him
Mm-hmm.
and I try to speak and like talking foreigner customers talking with because no without talking I for
So how
so
can they understand, right? If you are not make them understand, if you
yeah
don't make them understand, like what do you want to say? So
yeah
for that.
support
So how?
uh,
Mhm.
yeah
Okay.
yeah, supporting my with my manager and I also talking right and wrong because I
Hmm.
for this language right
Yeah,
now I
right. You can say that in front of the foreigner, if we don't have any idea about the English, we can speak over there our broken language. So then they little bit understand in that
yeah
way.
yes ma'am.
Yeah. So like how long have you been learning this language?
For before 4 months, ma'am.
Only 4 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because I also work there for kitchen department. First of all, coming abroad, so
Mm-hmm.
working there kitchen department. After that, learning and I also support him with. manager.
Okay, your manager is very supportive.
Yeah,
He
ma'am.
supports every time. Okay,
Yeah,
so he knows how to speak in English very well.
yeah,
He knows this.
yeah. I also manager also talking English, but I also
Mhm.
learn this. And
Okay, so like so for improving yourself, you are talking with the people in this application. So except that, what do you do for improving your communication skills or spoken English?
sometimes now watching
Hmm.
conversation video, and sometimes watching podcast and
Hmm.
English, because I am working there 9 hours, 10 hours. So not I have lots of time.
Yeah, you don't have so much time to talk with the
Yeah,
people or to improve your communication skill. At night time, I think you have to do all the things. But it is
yeah,
very difficult task. Like a whole day, you have to work over there, and it is difficult to give on the like our spoken part, give time over our spoken part. So, but
yeah,
if we want to be fluent or if we want to have that kind of knowledge, so we should do. We have to do. We are bound to do that, right? So
yeah.
yeah. So how long have you been there in Oman? Oman? That
I
is
have
Oman?
completed 2 years. Yeah, I have completed 2 years.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you observing that you are improving after practicing or working hard that much work you are working on your spoken part. So, in that way, are you do you think about your fluency that will increase in next 1 or 2 months?
Yes, ma'am. Encouraging, because I also talking with persons. So I also improve a little bit, because I am a beginner, and grammar lots of mistakes.
Yes, yes. So do you think that only the speaking, only the talking with the people, it is enough to improve?
No, ma'am, because talking with people, grammatical lots of mistakes. So grammatical knowledge basic is also importance. Basic knowledge
Hmm.
grammar, like tense,
Yes,
vocabulary,
right.
morals. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can easily learn na, because you are surrounded with those kind of people who always speak in English. So in that way, if you if you are alone over there or with the talk with the people you're surrounded, so you most of the time I think speak in English with them in your workplace too, not only for the visitors or for the customers, but you should talk with the people in your workplace who are working with you. So do you talk with them? Is Do you talk with them, if your colleagues or your co-partners or your with whom you are working?
Talked with them, like some customers handle.
Hmm. Okay, so hmm. Okay, if you have any question for me, so you can ask.
So, ma'am, my thinking is, so English, like personality development, soft skills is more important for life, because
Hmm.
I also prepare for the interview topics. So, like, how can I
Okay.
crack for interview? And because India is very empower, unemployment. Some
Yeah.
are graduate qualified, graduate PG qualified, but not talking about for good English, and not correct for
Uh,
the
yeah, it is the most of the people they have this kind of problem because they have lots of degrees like MA degree, BA degree, and masters and any other degrees, but still they are facing some problem in their spoken part. They are lacking behind the spoken part. But if for that, the people only just take this language as a subject in our school or college time. for getting the getting the degree. But
Repetition,
now, like we should work on spoken part too. This is the different thing, right? Spoken English is different, and bookish knowledge is different. So on that, if we have a knowledge about the English, so our personality automatically develop in that way, right? If we have a knowledge about the English. So first of all, you have to have that kind of, great knowledge about the spoken English or, communication skill. So in that way, we can improve and we can also enhance our, personality. So like
yes,
English,
ma'am.
yeah, English is now in our life, English plays an important and, vital role. In that way we can improve or we can enhance our develop and personality and other thing, and we have that kind of skill. We can easily crack interviews, right?
Yes, because daily routine, daily life, talking with people, so good to communicate and enhance for the English.
Yes, it is very important these days.
Yeah,
Yeah, because if we have a knowledge about the English, so we can survive anywhere, right? It is a
yeah,
it is prevalent. If English is spoken everywhere, if we know how to
yeah,
speak in English, so we can survive anywhere in any country, in any place. So that's why nowadays most of the people they are trying to learn this language, right?
yeah. Because English is a global language. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am,
So
are you still there studying, pursuing your study
no, no, no. I have
right now?
completed my study. Now I am learning this language because of environment or ambience. So nowadays everything is available, so we can easily learn anything. Not only just a language, but we can also learn anything,
Ma'am,
like
after
any skill. Mm-hmm.
connect for the application, so where I go for the connect for people. 5th May disconnect for a strike.
Yes, yes. Before May, it's going to be disconnected. It's going to be shut down. So for that, you have to upload. You have to download the team application. Have you downloaded that?
Yes, ma'am. Team application. Yeah, I have Microsoft Team.
Microsoft Team application. You have to download. Then automatically your all data can be transferred over there, right?
Okay,
So
automatic
now
transfer. Don't.
automatically, yeah. If you down, but the email ID or password will be same. Then you can say all the data, all the calls, and all the messages can be transferred over there automatically,
But ma'am,
right?
same like this one sessions like recorded option, everything option.
Yeah.
Same like.
Yes. No. No. We are not getting over their recorded session. Yeah. We get the recorded session, but people are facing the difficulty to download that. So there we don't know how to download that. So later we will know. I think there is any other way. There will be any other way to download that. So, but now we don't know how to download that. But we get the recording session over there, but we are unable to download. So later we can have like this kind of knowledge how to download that. But now we don't know. But
Uh,
if we're talking about the video call or audio call, we can do both there. So, but I don't know about the recorded session. Yeah. So,
uh,
but if you want to practice over there, so easily you can do practice over there.
yeah.
So because we are here only the for the YouTubers, it is not good because of
Yeah.
YouTubers like they want to record the session and upload that session on the YouTube channel, and I am also one of them because I have also created my channel 15 days ago. So I am also facing the problem to download that app to download that recorded session or this kind of scenario. I'm also facing. Yeah.
Uh,
So, hmm. Okay, if you have any questions, so please ask, or any queries or any difficulty are you are facing, so you can let me know. If I am able, so I will help you. Otherwise, we can wind up our session.
Yes, ma'am, because I also going to workplace.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so nice to talk to you, Devendra. Thank you so much for giving your time to me. Okay, so later we
Okay,
will connect. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so
okay,
much
ma'am.
for connecting me. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.